Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Credit Saint, a leading credit repair service. With a strong commitment to transparency and personalized service, Credit Saint aims to help consumers erase inaccurate and unverifiable information from their credit reports. Their goal is to empower customers to achieve their financial goals and improve their credit score. Credit Saint provides several key features. They offer free credit consultations and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Their personalized credit repair plans include challenging inaccurate credit report items and educating customers on maintaining good credit. They are also known for their exceptional customer service, with licensed credit professionals to guide you throughout the process. Credit Saint offers three different packages. The Credit Polish package is $79.99 per month. The Credit Remodel is $99.99 per month. And the Clean Slate is $119.99 per month. Each package includes different levels of challenges to bureaus and creditors. A first work fee applies to all packages, ranging from $99 to $100. Credit Saint is ideal for individuals with inaccurate or unverifiable items on their credit reports that are negatively impacting their credit score. If you're seeking to secure a loan, buy a house, or even apply for a job, having a clean credit report is crucial. Credit Saint can be a valuable resource in these situations, helping to improve your financial standing. Credit Saint stands out for its transparency, personalized service, and effective results. They offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, which shows their confidence in providing satisfactory results. Their team of licensed professionals is committed to providing exceptional customer service with personalized advice and regular updates on your credit repair process. While Credit Saint offers many benefits, it's important to note the limitations. The service is not available in all states, and the pricing can be higher than other credit repair companies. There's also no guarantee that your credit score will improve, as results depend on individual credit situations. Lastly, credit repair can take several months, requiring patience and understanding from customers. In conclusion, Credit Saint offers a comprehensive and personalized credit repair service with a strong focus on customer satisfaction. While the cost may be higher than some competitors, their money-back guarantee and exceptional customer service make them a strong choice for many. However, potential customers should also consider the limitations, including availability and the time required for credit repair. Credit Saint offers personalized credit repair services with a focus on customer education and satisfaction. They provide a money-back guarantee and have licensed professionals to guide you. However, their services may not be available in all states, and the cost can be higher than other companies. Remember, credit repair results can vary and require time. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth analysis of Credit Saint. We hope you found this information valuable as you navigate your credit repair journey. Remember, it's important to thoroughly research and consider all options when choosing a credit repair service. Before we go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We aim to provide you with thorough analyses and helpful advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.